Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the Gearwrench 84-piece Master SAE and metric hex and torx bit socket set. Alright, I got this set at Tractor Supply. It's originally $89.99. I got it for $59.99. Some people got it for $29.99. That's what I was trying to do, but I couldn't get them to go down on the price. So if this is something you want, check it out there. Let's open this guy up. Actually, let's see what it says on here about it first. It says a double line on the SAE and a knurled line from millimeters to easily identify standard versus metric sockets. You got a large, hard stamped identification on it. Professional full polish chrome, heat treated socket bases for durability. That's about all it really says on here about it. S2 steel insert bits for added strength. Then you got your blow molded case for durable storage. Alright, let's look at it real quick. So you got a case, it comes with this blow molded case with got the little yellow snaps on the front. And it opens up. And there's your case. There you got all your long bits there, and then your big old guys, smaller and smaller. And you got your, what do we have here? We got torx, and then you have your hex keys, and your long ones. That goes, the torx is 8, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 30, 40, 45, and 50. That's your long ones. Then your hex, you have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 in the long ones. Then on these little guys down here are shorter ones, as I would say. You have these small ones here. You have the torx 8, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27. Then you have torx security bits 8, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 30. Then you have your hex metric 2.5, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Standard 1/8, 9 64ths, 5 32nds, 3 16ths, 7 32nds, and a quarter. And these ones. Then we have torx here. 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. Then torx security, 40, 45, 50, 55. Yep. Then you have your hex metric, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And standard, 7 32nds, a quarter, 5 16ths, and 3/8. Oh, these are just, okay. These are just for the different sizes of, I was going to say, I already said a quarter in that. And it's just got the different sizes. Like this is probably for a 1/4 inch ratchet. These are for the 3/8. Yeah, 3/8. And then these are for the 1/2 inch. So in the 1/2 inch, you have torx 60. Then you have torx security 60. Okay. Then you have the hex 10, 12, 14, 17, 19. And then in the standard, you have 7 16ths, a 1/2, 9 16ths, 5/8, and 3/4. And then you have these E torx. External torx is what they're called. I didn't know what those were. I had to look them up. But you have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. So it is a pretty big set. It's pretty cool. It's got the security bits in there. It does skip a few here and there, but it should cover most of your bases. But I didn't read much on it. So you do have what I say, 3/8 inch bits, well, 1/4 inch bits, 3/8 inch bits, and 1/2 inch bits. So this whole line here we'll go with the 3/8 inch. This is, I thought all of, I didn't look at them. And then I'm wondering about these. These look like these are, from here to here is, yeah, 1/4 inch. These ones are 3/8. Yep. And I think the rest, I think all those are 3/8. The rest of these are 3/8, it looks like. Yep. So there you have it, the 84-piece Master SAE metric hex and Torx bit socket set. If you can get it for $29.99 at one of your Tractor Supplies, if they'll match that receipt, you can find that on Facebook, Tool Deals. That's one of the things I do. It's just called Tool Deals. If they have all those receipts on there, and you could just show it on your phone. So good luck on finding that, and thank you for watching my video. If you like my videos or get anything out of them, please give me a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it a lot. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.